Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll dive into variations, serving traditions, and some modern twists on deep-fried dough sticks. Let's get frying. Festive Zeppole in Italy. In Italy, Zeppole aren't everyday food. They're tied to St. Joseph's Day, where bakeries overflow with these golden puffs. Some are dusted with powdered sugar, others stuffed with custard or ricotta. Eating them isn't just about taste, it's about celebration. Street fairs and family gatherings feature Zeppole front and center. Kids get them plain, while adults might enjoy versions spiked with liqueur or citrus zest. Like carnival treats everywhere, they're fleeting but unforgettable. Quick bites and adaptations worldwide. From Nigeria's spicy batiquibo to Latin America's dulce de leche stuffed churros, fried dough adapts effortlessly. Some key twists. Vietnam. Bon Qui, mini, crunchy twists often served with pho. India. Shakarpara, sweet or savory fried dough bites sprinkled with spices. USA. State fair versions, from Oreo stuffed to maple bacon coated. No matter where you are, someone's frying dough, and serving it with pride. The variations are endless, but the joy? Universal. Tips for perfect deep-fried dough sticks at home. Making deep-fried dough sticks at home might seem tricky, but with the right techniques, you can nail that crispy yet fluffy texture every time. It's all about the oil, the dough, and a little patience. Here's how to get it right. Choosing the right oil. Not all oils are created equal when it comes to frying. The best choices have a high smoke point and a neutral flavor, so your dough sticks don't taste like the oil they're cooked in. Peanut oil. A top pick for frying. High smoke point, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, and a clean taste. Canola or vegetable oil. Reliable and affordable, with a smoke point around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. Sunflower oil. Another neutral option, great for high-heat frying. Avoid olive oil or butter. They burn too easily and can leave a heavy aftertaste. And no matter what oil you use, keep the temperature steady, around 350,375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175,190 degrees Celsius, for even cooking without sogginess or burnt edges. A candy thermometer helps, but if you don't have one, test the oil with a small piece of dough. It should bubble vigorously but not turn brown too fast. Achieving the perfect texture. The dough is where the magic happens. Too dense, and your sticks will be tough. Too loose, and they won't hold their shape. Here's how to nail the balance. Knead just enough. Overworking the dough makes it tough. Mix until it's smooth and elastic, then stop. For yeast-based dough, let it rise until doubled. This creates air pockets for that light interior. Use baking powder or yeast. Baking powder gives quick lift, while yeast adds depth of flavor. For speed, baking powder wins. For tradition, go with yeast. Rest the dough. After kneading, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or overnight in the fridge for yeast dough. This relaxes the gluten, making it easier to stretch and fry without shrinking. When shaping, roll the dough into long ropes, then gently press two together, for Youtiao, or pipe it straight into the oil, for churros. The key? Fry in small batches so the oil stays hot. Crowding the pan drops the temperature, leading to greasy results. Flip the dough sticks once or twice until they're golden and puffed. Drain on a wire rack, not paper towels, to keep them crisp. And if you're aiming for extra crunch, double fry them. Once to cook through, then again at a higher temperature for a golden shell. Modern twists and fusion recipes. Deep-fried dough sticks have always been delicious, but chefs and home cooks around the world keep pushing the envelope. Today's versions mash up flavors, fillings, and even cooking methods. Think cheese-stuffed churros or matcha-dusted Youtiao. If you love the classic versions but crave something unexpected, these modern takes are worth a try. Sweet and savory mashups. Why pick between sweet and salty when you can have both? Some of the most addictive new recipes blur the lines. Salted egg yolk Youtiao. This Hong Kong favorite coats crispy Youtiao in a rich, creamy salted egg yolk sauce. The result? An umami bomb that's impossible to put down. Maple bacon churros. A breakfast lover's dream, with smoky bacon bits rolled into the dough and drizzled with maple glaze. Spicy honey drizzle. A mix of honey and chili flakes turns plain fried dough into a sweet heat treat. Even traditional pairings get upgrades, like churros dipped in espresso caramel or Youtiao served with black sesame soy milk. Stuffed and loaded versions. Filling fried dough takes it to the next level. Imagine biting into a crispy shell to find melted cheese, gooey chocolate, or even savory surprises. Nutella stuffed churros. Piped full of warm hazelnut spread, these are a chocolate lover's fantasy. Cheese pull Youtiao. Stuffed with mozzarella or cheddar, they turn into the ultimate savory snack. Pandan custard filling. A Southeast Asian twist with vibrant green pandan-flavored custard inside. For a showstopper, try churro ice cream sandwiches. Warm fried dough wrapped around cold vanilla or dulce de leche ice cream. Global flavors, fried dough style. Modern takes often borrow from other cuisines, creating fusion bites that still feel familiar. Matcha Youtiao. Green tea powder mixed into the dough adds earthy bitterness, balanced with a sugar dip. Ube churros. Purple yam gives the dough a subtle sweetness and Instagram-worthy color. Chili lime dusting. A Mexican-inspired mix of tahini on churros for a tangy, spicy kick. And then there's the everything bagel Youtiao, rolled in sesame seeds, garlic, and onion flakes for a New York deli vibe. Healthier-ish alternatives. Fried dough isn't exactly health food, but clever swaps can lighten it up without losing the fun. Air fryer churros. Less oil, same crunch. Just spritz with cooking spray before air frying. Whole wheat dough. Adds nuttiness and fiber for a slightly heartier bite. Vegan versions. Substitute flax eggs and almond milk for a plant-based treat. These twists prove fried dough sticks are as versatile as they are timeless. Whether you stick with tradition or experiment wildly, the only rule is to enjoy them fresh, preferably with friends. Deep fried dough sticks have conquered the world, one crispy bite at a time. From Youtiao's salty crunch to churros' sugary warmth, they adapt to every culture while keeping that irresistible appeal. Now it's your turn. Grab flour, oil, and a little creativity. Try shaping them thin like Chinese sticks, piping them into churros, or stuffing them with sweet surprises. The best part? Eating your experiments fresh from the fryer. There's no wrong way to enjoy fried dough, only delicious ones. So go ahead, take a bite, and join the global love affair with golden, crunchy perfection. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.